so picking up with example 3, we want to solve 3x plus 2y equals z for x. Okay, so that means I want x by itself when I'm done. So I have 3x plus 2y equals z. Okay, so I'm gonna underline this. I want that by itself. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is work with that 2y. It is being added to the equation. So to undo it and move it to the other side with the z, I have to do the opposite. So the opposite of addition would be subtraction. Okay? So I'm going to do it to both sides. Here, I'll just bring my 3x down. The 2y minus 2y cancels. Equals z minus 2y. So all I'm doing is bringing down the z, bring down the minus 2y. Okay, now I still want x by itself. So what I have is 3 times x. Okay, to undo multiplication, you will divide. So I'm going to divide both sides now by 3. Make sure when you do it over here on the right side, you divide the whole problem by the 3. Okay, that will cancel these out and leave you with x equals z minus 2y over 3. And now that equation is solved for x. Okay, let's take a look at some more at the bottom. All right, so this first one, 3x minus 4y equals 7. Okay, so this is another solve for x. Okay, so I want that by itself. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is get rid of that negative 4y. Okay, so this is being subtracted. So the opposite of subtracting will be to add. Okay, so the negative 4y and the positive 4y will cancel. Bring down the 3x equals, now I'm going to put this y in front of that 7. Now, I'm not adding 7 and 4 and getting 11y. Okay, in order to add stuff together, they would both have to have the same letter. So I'm just going to rewrite the 4y plus 7. Okay, now I still need x by itself. Okay, so I need to get rid of that 3. 3 is being multiplied, so therefore I will divide. So those will cancel. Now I'll be left with x equals 4y plus 7 over 3. And that is the equation solved for x. Okay? All right. I'm going to skip down to number 3. Okay, so I have by plus 2 over 3 equals c. By plus 2 over 3 equals c. I'm solving for y. Okay, I want this y by itself. Now, when you start with a fraction like that, the first thing you're going to want to do is get rid of it. Okay, and in order to get rid of this 3 is being divided. The opposite of division is multiplication. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. Okay. Now over here, because it was being divided and multiplied, they cancel each other out. So I have by plus 2 equals, now c times 3 is 3c. You put your number first in front of your letter. Okay, I'm still looking for y. All right, so I've got to get rid of this adding 2. To get rid of it, I subtract 2. That will give me by equals 3c minus 2. That is not 1c. This 2 does not have a c. Okay, it is just 3c minus 2. You just rewrite it.